Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This lecture is from 9th Chemistry, Chapter 1, Introduction to Chemistry. Topic: History of Chemistry. In the history of chemistry, many scientists have contributed a lot, and due to their work, chemistry has made enormous progress. Chemistry has been used in many ways for making glues, making dyes, for dyeing clothes, arts, and craft. In the history of chemistry, there are three major periods. The first major period is the Greek period. Greek means Unani. In this period, Greek philosophers Plato, Aristotle, Democritus worked a lot. They were the first to introduce the idea of element, atom, and even a chemical reaction. According to them, matter is made up of four elements. They divided the matter into the four elements. According to them, that life is not possible without these four major elements. The first element is the fire, which they consider as hot and a dry. The second element is earth, which is hot and wet. The third is the water, which they consider as cold and wet. And the last one is air, that is cold and dry. So according to them, these elements have the properties of dry, hot, wet, and cold. But after that, after the discovery of the 114 elements, this concept was made wrong. The life is basically based on those 114 elements. Then the next period is the Muslim period, in which many scientists worked a lot. The first scientist is the Jabir ibn Hayyan. He is generally known as father of alchemy. Alchemy was the old name of chemistry, means the founder of chemistry. What he did, he invented experimental method for the preparation of nitric acid, hydrochloric acid, and white lead. He developed method for the extraction of metal from their ores. What are ores? Basically, metals with their impurities are called as ores. Whenever metal is present with the impurity, it is called as ore. So he invented the method to extract metal from their ore. He also developed method for dyeing clothes, यानी कपड़े को रंगने का तरीका. The second scientist is Al-Razi. Al-Razi was a physician, alchemist, and philosopher. He was an expert surgeon and was the first to use opium as an anesthesia. Anesthesia के लिए एनेस्थीसिया जो कि बेहोशी के लिए इस्तेमाल किया जाता है या बेहोशी तारी करने को कहा जाता है, उसके लिए इन्होंने इस्तेमाल किया ओपियम को, जो कि एक मटेरियल है. He also divided substances into the living and non-living origins. Actually, he differentiated between the living and non-living things. Then he prepared ethyl alcohol by the fermentation of sugar. इन्होंने ethyl alcohol बनाया था एक प्रोसेस के ज़रिए जिसे कहा जाता है fermentation. Al-Biruni, the third scientist, he contributed a lot in physics, metaphysics, mathematics, geography, and history. In the field of chemistry, he determined the density of different substances. Ibn Sina, he was famous for his contribution in the field of medicine, medicinal chemistry, philosophy, mathematics, and astronomy. After that, modern period start. In modern period, many European scientists worked in different fields. We will discuss only about their major contribution. The first one is Robert Boyle, who is known as the father of modern chemistry. मीन्स जो केमिस्ट्री आज हम पढ़ते हैं उनके जो बानी कहा जाता है वो इन्हें कहा जाता है, रॉबर्ट बॉयल को. जे ब्लैक डिस्कवर्ड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. J. Presley discovered oxygen, sulfur dioxide, and hydrogen chloride. Shelley discovered chlorine, Cavendish discovered hydrogen, Lavoisier discovered oxygen, constitute about 1/5 of the एयर. इन्होंने एक्चुअली ऑक्सीजन के बारे में बताया था कि वो कितने पार्ट ऑफ एयर में मौजूद होती है. तो इन्होंने कहा था कि 1/5 पार्ट ऑफ एयर में ऑक्सीजन मौजूद होती है. जॉन डेल्टन प्रेजेंट एटॉमिक थ्योरी ऑफ मैटर. We will discuss this topic in chapter number 3. J.J. Berzelius introduced the idea of symbol, formula and chemical equation. जो आज हम एलिमेंट्स के सिंबल पढ़ते हैं, जो फॉर्मूला कंपाउंड्स के पढ़ते हैं, या किसी तरह से केमिकल रिएक्शन हो रहा है, इसको इक्वेशन की फॉर्म में हम लिखते हैं, ये पूरे तरीके J.J. Berzelius ने इंट्रोड्यूस किए थे. Mendeleev arranged element in the periodic table. The periodic table was given by Mendeleev actually. Arrhenius gave the ionic theory. Michael Faraday gave the law of electrolysis. In chapter number 8 we will study law of electrolysis. Henry Becquerel discovered radioactivity. This is also a topic of chapter 3. J.J. Thomson discovered electron, again the topic of chapter 3. Rutherford gave atomic structure. Neil Bohr removed the defects in the Rutherford atomic model. These all are the topics of chapter 3. We will discuss these all topics in chapter 3. This is all. Jazakallah.